Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm your device OS and at least 200 MB free. This prevents mid-download failures. Next, choose Official Store Install for safety or APK sideload if unavailable. If sideloading, enable unknown sources in settings for this session only. Keep it off afterwards. Make sure you have your Google or Apple ID credentials handy so you can sign in right after installation. Once done, start the download from the chosen source and monitor progress. Tap Install and follow on-screen prompts. If you used an APK, confirm the package signature looks legitimate before proceeding. When permission dialogues appear, grant storage and network access so the app can cache and stream. Only allow location if a feature requires it. After installation, open the app immediately to finish setup. Accept terms, choose basic preferences, and sign in with your account. Make sure you let any background services start so synchronization and notifications function correctly. Finish by enabling auto updates or checking for the latest build to avoid bugs. Create a home screen shortcut for quick access, then test core functions. Sign in, sync content, and run a playback or connection check. If the app misbehaves, try one key troubleshooting step first. Clear the app cache and force stop, then reopen. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the app. If problems persist, test the same account on another device to isolate device versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.